Hold on, getting it all ready. Okay, hey, so me again, but I wanted to just come on and share a couple things that have been surprising and kind of awarenesses with doing our $20 a day challenge for the last, I guess, about 3 weeks now that we've been doing this. I shared with you that I was hesitant to even go down that path at first because I'm like, I don't want to look at everybody as a potential sale. I don't want to view people like, hey, how can I sell stuff to you? But I know better than that. After 2 years of redefining what business looks like, we know it's providing solutions, providing benefits, and being a special person in the life of others. That is what great business is. That is where sales come from. And so I have been just kind of in awe at what I've been missing, that shifting to thinking, how can I possibly create opportunity to sell $20 a day has helped. It's made a huge difference. And so the first thing that I've been doing is simply reaching out to a certain number of my customers every day. And depending on how big your customer base is, it may be one and you can do them all in a month. For me, after 10 years, it's a lot bigger than that. And so I can do multiple every day and still take a month or two to get through that. And so reaching out to customers, what I've noticed is I send about 4 texts, maybe 5 texts a year to my whole customer base about new products or my customer sale or something like that. And I get a decent response, but not everybody by any means. But when I have sent a personal message and said, hey, we haven't been in touch in a long time. Just wanted to see, how are you? How's life? What's going on? They reply a lot of the time. And then the crazy thing is, a few weeks later, when I sent a, hey, here's our new foundations text out, guess who wrote me back? The people who had never prior wrote me back, but I had texted with privately one-on-one in the meantime. Now she felt a greater connection to even my mass text that I sent out. And so I've just really been impressed with and ordered product. It was a $43 order. So I've just been impressed with how crucial it is that we stay in touch with women from month to month without any connection to products. Another example, yesterday I opened up my app and I just started looking through the names and I went, oh, wow, she had a stroke last month. I need to check on her and just see how she's doing. I wrote her, she's having a procedure today. So literally God set my eyes on her name and put that in my heart to text her on a night that she needed prayer going into a really serious operation for her heart today. What a blessing. I actually felt like I could be in her life. Just so cool and so just a God thing. But it's because I stopped to be intentional to reach out. So I want to encourage you. Certainly you don't need to text people multiple times a month. If you have a small base of customers and clients, 10 or 15, maybe expand it to your close friends and family, and just who could you reach out to intentionally each day? And that's just one way that you could create $20 a day in sales. And I hope that you realize that one effort of just how could I be intentional about creating opportunity for that, it can literally in a year's time earn you $6,000. $6,000 from $20 a day, $20 a day, just tagging that each day. It can build some massive results. And $20 a day isn't much, even if you had 30 people and each person bought one thing a month. They're getting one mascara, one cleanser, one, finishing spray, 2 eyeshadows. That's not that much, even for a small customer base, if you're serving and if you're being a person that cares. And of course, it's not going to play out exactly like that, but there's just so much power to this. And then besides texting, which I think is one of the most powerful things, then the other things I do is I'll post in my group about different products. It's not salesy, it's teaching, it's solution oriented and driven. And hey, here's what this can do, here's what this does. and creating real value for them that creates sales in the long run. And then thirdly, using my personal Facebook to share about products that I love. Not, hey everybody, here's this product, it does this, but oh my gosh, this product has done this for me, I love it. That's it. It literally creates one of two things: either an engagement with someone saying, I need that, what is it? Or over time, they go, she knows all about this. And when they need something, they'll reach out to you. I've had both things happen as I've consistently done sharing my life, and that Mary Kay is a sliver of my life. It's not my whole life. It's not the only thing I do, but it's a piece. And so by faithfully sharing that little piece with people and being consistent about putting it out and doing it in a form of appreciation and gratitude and joy, people are catching on and they have so much more respect for what I do. And I come off as an expert, even though I'm not like trying to be some big person. It's not like that, but they just feel like they can come to me and ask. And it's just been really, really cool, life-changing. And so I just want to continue to encourage you, no matter where you're at, if a little extra cash would bless your family and you have any appreciation for our products at any level, why not slowly, do these small things that can create these little victories for our family, for our team? That's huge. It's going to be a blessing to your family financially, and it's also going to serve those people in your life. Why should they go to Ulta if you are there? Why should their money go up to wherever in Europe that stuff comes from or whatever, when their money through Mary Kay can fund schools in China, can help fight off domestic violence, can fund the local economy right where you live, your family's life? Like, it's just a cool thing. And women love to know that their money's doing good. So if they can get what they need anyway, have solutions for their problems, and go through you, there is nothing wrong with that. And it takes consistency and time. And I really think going to the heart of you and going, what do I really care about and appreciate in even small ways when it comes to products and issues I'm dealing with, it's powerful. So I just wanted to encourage you that I'm having huge aha moments and huge just connection breakthroughs by reaching out faithfully. I'm going to continue doing it, and I can't wait to see how much stronger that connection to my base is going to be, and also how much more intentional I will be at making sure I'm serving each day, making sure there's something going somewhere that adds value to the people that God has given me. And so I hope you will do that too, and share with me, what are your stories? Have you had some stories, some opportunities, some connections, anything in touching this $20 a day thing? I want to hear about it. So come on, let me know.